Assalamu alaikum and a very pleasant morning to all Falconians. I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. I'm your mathematics teacher, Ms. Mahpara Fahad from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. Today, we will going to learn something new in which we will going to use table. Yes, students, we will going to use tables in it. Like 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 5 is equals to 15, 4 times 6 is equals to 24. 5 times 2 is equals to 10. 6 times 7 is equals to 42. Students, if you want to make your multiplication more perfect, so you have to learn the tables first. Tables from 2 till 10 at least, so that you will be perfect in solving the multiplication questions. Yes, students. Now, moving towards the question that how to write the question. For example, here we have the number is 137 multiplied by 5. More digits will be written on the top of the line, while the fewer digits will be written in the bottom line. Let's solve the question. You have to do multiplication with each number. It starts from right side and move towards the left side. Start from 5 times 7. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 will be written here and 3 will become your carry. 5 times 3 is equals to 15. 15 plus 3, 16, 17 and 18. 8 will be written here and 1 will be carried. 5 times 1 is equals to 5, in which you are going to add 1 and it will be equals to 6. It's so simple. Now let's solve another example. For suppose we have a question that is 536 that you have to multiply by 4. Students, we will going to follow the same method that we have followed in the previous question. 4 times 6 is equals to 24. 4 will be here and 2 will be carried. 4 times 3 is equals to 12. 12 plus 2, 13, 14. 4 is written here and 1 will be carried. 4 times 5 is equals to 20. 20 plus 1 is equals to 21. Students, for making your multiplication more perfect, please learn tables by your heart. Table is an easiest thing that you will going to learn in mathematics. If you will going to learn tables, it will going to help in your future as well. It will gonna help in the multiplication questions, in the additions, in the division questions as well. Now we have learned that how to solve the one-digit number. Now it's time to learn how to solve two-digit multiplication. In single digit, we multiply the bottom digit to the top once only. But students, when you have a double digit, when you have a two digits number, you have to do or you have to follow the same process twice. But for solving the two-digit number, here we have a little method, or you can say a little addition of a number is mandatory. Let's solve the question step by step. In the very first step, we have 2167, that is multiplied by 35. For solving with the very first digit, that is 5, you have to ignore the number 3. Forget about the 3 first. Now start solving the digit 5. 5 times 7 is equals to 35. You have to write 5 here and 3 will be carried to the next number. 5 6 are 30, in which you have to add 3. 31, 32, 33. 3 will be written here and the other 3 is carried to the 1. Now 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 3, 6, 7 and 8. 5 times 2 is 10. Here we have another number, that is 3. But in the step 2, when you are going to solve or multiply the number by 3, forget about the digit 5. But hold on, what we have to do? First, we have to put 0 after 5. Why we are putting the 0 here? Because we are solving the next digit here. For solving the next digit here we have the multiplication rule that we have to write 0 first. We are writing 0 first here because we already have solved the multiplication version of the very first digit. So for solving the second digit number, you have to write the 0 first. Now, in the third step 3, let's see how to calculate or how to do multiplication by the digit 3. 3 sevens are 21. You have to write 1 after 3. Then 2 will be carried to the 6. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2, 19, 20. 0 will be written here and 2 will be carried. 3 times 1 will be 3 plus 2, 4, 5. 5 is written here. 3 2s are 6. That's so simple, students. We have solved the number 35 from 2167. But still, my multiplication question is not completed yet. Why is that so? Because whenever you guys are going to solve 2 digits, 3 digits and so on, we have to do the very last step, that is of addition. Here we go. When you solve 2167 by 5, you got the answer 10835. For solving the next digit, that is 3, you put 0 after 5. And you got the answer, that is 6501. Now, what we have to do? We have to do addition for making our multiplication complete. 5 plus 0, we got the answer 5. 3 plus 1, we got the answer 4. 8 plus 0, we got the answer 8. 0 plus 5, we got the answer 5. 6 plus 7, 1, we got the answer 7. So, isn't it easy? Students, if we were going to do more practice of these sort of questions, it will be easy for us to learn how to do multiplication questions. Students, we will follow this method while solving our multiplication question. If you want to do more practice, I will gonna provide you more questions, or you can solve more questions from your book as well. Do more practice as you can, so you will be perfect in the multiplication questions. Up till then, take care of your health. Allah Hafiz.